Thank you. Thanks for having me. Welcome everybody to Building Playbooks to Empower Revenue Generating Functions. I'm going to start by going quickly through the agenda. So going to talk about what the goals of this webinar, what are negotiation playbooks, who is using negotiation playbooks, how you can build negotiation playbooks, how you can implement those negotiation playbooks that you've built in your organization, how you can automate negotiation playbooks. And because I want this to be practical, in the end, I'll give you a small checklist. So the goal of this webinar for me is to give you practical guidance on how to decide whether you need playbooks, how to build them, distribute them within your organization, and how to get them being used, how to potentially productize them, and how to keep them up to date. So for my target audience, I think in-house counsel will be the main target audience, but obviously a law firm lawyers also will be able to get value from it when they're delivering to in-house counsel. And basically any lawyer that is part of contract negotiation processes will be getting some value out of this. By the end of the session, I want you to be able to go out and build playbooks that are used in anger and get you to value or your customers. Just a little bit about me. As you can see, I have always had an affinity for tech. My dad was a programmer and got me using computer really early. And then I kind of went down the path of law, but I never really left the path of tech. And lucky for me, legal tech is a thing, and I can combine these two things. Yeah, as Paula said, I'm a fully qualified lawyer, a legal product manager at Legal OS. I also freelance as a legal tech advisor. And before this, I worked in legal tech teams, both in a big law firm as well as in a large in-house team. So let's jump right into it. So what are negotiation playbooks? Negotiation playbooks are comprehensive plans or strategies that organizations can use to guide their negotiation process. So these playbooks typically include a set of rules, guidelines, and tactics to help negotiators achieve their desired outcomes. Essentially, it's a way of doing knowledge management, specifically for negotiations. So negotiation playbooks might include information on how to run negotiations, setting objectives for negotiations, setting commercial guidelines, but most importantly, how to handle objections and push back on terms. You could, of course, build a playbook for one-off negotiations, but this is not what I'm talking about today. What I'm talking about today is our playbooks for certain types of deals that cover repeating and predictable negotiation scenarios within the legal space and how to deal with these situations.